it's TxStampin Sharon. I wanted to introduce you to my 2 classes that I am doing during the month of December. These are what I call online classes. I give you a list of supplies of everything I use to create the card. And then if you place an order for $40 or more, either with buying those supplies or if you already have these, then you could purchase anything you wanted. I have 2 codes and I will flash those on the screen so when you're watching. And so if you use one of the codes, you spend $40, I send you that card kit. If you use the other code, obviously I send you that card kit. If you spend $80, I will send you both. So yeah, it's a free card kit. You get all of the envelopes, all the pieces that you need. You just do the stamping and assembly. It's really fun. I've been doing these for about 5 years now, and everybody really loves my online classes. I do send you a list of, or a set of PDF instructions so that you can assemble the cards. And then I just do a quick tips and tricks video just to help you with anything that might be a little tricky. So, all right, let me show you my class. This is my first class, and it's a cute little box. It holds some note cards. You'll receive all of the materials you need to make the box, and you will receive enough material to make 2 sets of the cute little note cards that go inside. All you need is either the black stays on ink pad or the memento, and I will send you all the pieces that you need to make these cute little cards, and you will get enough to make 2 sets of all of this. I used Another Wonderful Year because I felt like it had a variety of stamps in there that you could use for all different types of occasions. I am kind of confused though, I'll be honest. It has Best Dad Ever, but where's Mom? There's no Mom. But anyway, it's a great set. If you don't already have it, it will be perfect to stamp on the layers that I will be sending you already pre-cut. So all you do is stamp and assemble. Here is my second class for the month of December, and you will also receive enough to make 2 sets of all of these cards. You will receive everything such as enough of the silver foil to cut out the snowflake framelits and the Whisper White, the Balmy Blue. So you're going to need Balmy Blue ink for this card. I think this card is just purely elegant. I mean, those silver snowflakes pop against that night of navy. You'll receive everything you need to stamp and assemble. I will have your stitch circle cut out, and you could stamp any sentiment you want. This one I used the shimmery white cardstock, and I know you probably can't see it on the video, but you'll receive the silver foil pieces to cut out your snowflakes. And then this is just a wash, so you will need an aqua painter. I used Pool Party for this card. I loved this color combination, just the silver and the blue, so pretty. And then this is supposed to be a cup. It's actually a little note card, but it's just a different kind of a cut, just something fun and different. I used Colorful Seasons. It's a great stamp set. It meets all my criteria of having sentiments, lots of sentiments, and of course lots of images. I have done some cards with the leaves and this cute little chair, but I can't remember making anything with snowflakes, so that's why I designed this class. I thought this class would be perfect for the winter months. Like I said, you don't have to purchase this stamp set. You could use any stamp set you want for a birthday or a thank you card after the holidays, just whatever. I did use the seasonal layering framelits, and I love that Adirondack chair. It's got some fun flowers in it, that cute little cup that would sit on the arm of the chair. but the framelits that I used are from this these snowflake framelits right here. And so if you don't want to purchase this, it's not sold as a bundle this year. So this would be separate. If you just want the framelits, you can buy those. If you want just the stamp set, you can buy that. But that's the supplies that I use to make this class. And again, you receive a set to do everything twice. Everyone enjoys getting 2 sets of everything because sometimes people like to keep cards to remind them of different ideas and things like that. So there you go. That is the Colorful Seasons class, and I look forward to having you in one of my classes. I thought these classes were perfect for the month of December. The one with the snowflakes, it's still cold. You don't have to use the stamp set as I mentioned on the video that I used. You do need some snowflake thinlits to cut out all the snowflakes. However, you could change the sentiment to make it be whatever you want. If you have a December birthday, if you have a January birthday or February, I do want to tell you that my card kits are cut and shipped out around the 22nd of December. So don't plan on using any of these for like Christmas cards because you might not get them until after Christmas with all the shipping delays that we normally have at this time of the year. And then that little box, won't that be adorable to give as a gift to someone for a birthday or just because? Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my online class.